Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Dr. Sugandha Agarwal from the Department of Public Health Dentistry. We'll be taking a lecture on planning. Contents, introduction, definition, planning, national health planning, types of health planning, planning cycle, stages of planning. Definition: a plan is a decision about a course of action given by Banfield. A plan is essentially an anticipation of how the resources will be utilized during a time period given by WHO, that is World Health Organization. Planning is the process of preparing a set of decisions for actions in the future and must precede development and changes in an organization. It is a process of analyzing a system. Purpose of planning. Why the planning is done: to match limited resources with many problems, to eliminate wasteful expenditure or duplication of expenditure, to develop best course of action to accomplish a defined objective. Planning in its broadcast sense includes three steps: plan formation, execution, and evaluation. Types of health planning by Spiegel. Problem-solving planning involves the identification and resolution of the problem. Program planning entails in designing a course of action for a circumscribed health problem by the school-based fluoride principle. Coordination of efforts and activities planning aims to increase availability, efficiency, productivity, effectiveness, and other aspects of the activities and programs. Planning for allocations of the resources involves selecting the best alternative to achieve a desired goal when the amount of the resource is limited. Creation of plan involves the development of a blueprint or proposal for action containing recommendation on the supporting data. Design of standard operating procedure require planners to come forth with a set of standards of practice or criteria for operation and evaluation. Planning cycle. Planning cycle is best thought of as a cycle but not a straight through process. Planning is a part of continuous cycle of activity. This is a cycle which can be planning and implementation strategy flowchart. First, you identify the problem. After that, second, to conduct a needs assessment, collect the data, analyze the data. After conduct need assessment and analyze the data, that we have to determine the priorities. After the develop program goals, objective and activities. They are further divided into three: identify available resources, identify constraints, identify alternative strategies. These both are given the resource and constraint. Choose those activities that will be most effective. After that, develop implementation strategy, implement, monitor, evaluate, and revise, an ongoing phase. Stages of planning: 6 days: situation analysis, problem identification, formulation of objectives, formulation analysis of alternative strategies, identification of special efforts, strategy selection, program formulation. Situational analysis: collection, assessment, interpretations, health situation, review of existing services, shaping approach, establishing a framework of review, presenting the result, population to be served, resources, national and local policies, political and administrative framework. Types of information: administrative, health and oral health policies, any other relevant policies, legislations, resource information, funds, facilities, and labor. Consumers, their demographic data, socioeconomic indicators, behavior and attitudes, transportation, oral health status, etiological or predisposing factors. Population profile: age and sex pyramids, urban or rural, number of individuals, geographic distribution, rate of growth, population density and degree of urbanization, ethnic background, diet and nutritional levels. Standard of living, type of housing, amount and type of public services and utilities, public and private school system, journal health profile, patterns and distribution of dental disease, clinical exam, past dental records, and national survey data. Current status of dental program, type of programs currently, orientation of these programs, who's organizes and implement, WHO organizes and implements, success and community acceptance. Need assessment: need to describe states of client that create a requirement for care and therefore represents a potential for services. Health needs deficiency in health that call for preventive, curative, and control or eradication measures. Need assessment evaluates the effectiveness of program. Need assessments to define problem extent and severity. Obtain a profile of the community to ascertain the cause of the problem. Evaluate the effectiveness of the problem. An oral health assessment Oral health assessment needs assessment. A need of medical care exists when an individual has an illness or disability for which there is an effective and acceptable treatment or cure. Felt need is equated with the want expressed as an individual own assessment of his or requirement of healthcare. Expressed need, felt need converted into action by seeking assistance. Comparative need is assessed by the comparing the healthcare received by different people with similar characteristics. Felt needs is expressed as individual own assessment of his or requirement of healthcare. Express need, felt need converted into action by seeking assistance. Comparative need is assessed by the comparing the healthcare received by different people with similar characteristics. Determining the priorities, methods of imposing people values and judgments of what is important onto raw data, setting priorities, finding the solution, most effective allocation of the resources. Journal criteria, relevance to meeting politically expressed needs, relevance to increasing social satisfaction and social equity, relevance to economic development, relevance to population growth, relevance to future quality of life, relevance to family well-being, relevance to modernization and to the cultural patterns. Oral health criteria, oral condition of an emergency nature, oral condition threatening many people and causing great public concern, oral condition causing death and that can be prevented or controlled. At this stage, it is necessary to have community involvement, help in program implementation, acceptance, identification of group associated with high-risk dental needs. Problem identification of formulation objects. Program goals are broad statement on the overall purpose of a program. Objectives are specific, described in a measurable way the end result program. Goals focus on major outcomes, improvements, or results and are qualitative in nature. Objectives should be SMART, that is specific, measurable, ambitious but attainable, relevant, time-based. Program activities, how to bring about the desired results, what, who, and when. Whose resources, personal equipment, and supplies, facilities, finance resources must be appropriate, adequate, effective, and efficient. Identify constraint, attitude, lack of funding, restrictive government policies, transport, labor, facilities, time to attain the program goal. Formulation and analysis of alternative strategies. Alternative strategies examine technical, social, political, and financial feasibility. Compatibility with existing organization and institutions should be considered. Principle of cost effectiveness and cost benefit should be applied. Identification of special efforts, preparatory stages, collection of special data, field trial or pilot studies, recruitment and the special training programs or change in organization. Strategy selection. Some criteria that might be used to identify the most desirable strategies are the degree to which the strategy fits with the journal health policy action, the degree to which the proposed action is compatible with oral health policies and actions, the degree to which the strategy facility or established desirable long-term trends, the probability of success in achieving the quantity for objectives in the desired time frame. Strategic planning, vision, mission, strategy, objective activities, and objective settings are specific, measurable, attainable, result focused, and time bound. Strategic planning is a dynamic process, therefore, it is really never completed. Program formulation by the manpower, methods, facilities, and finance. Describe techniques to employ intended coverage of target population, management, and controlling of the program. These are the rules of implementation. These are all the rules 1 to 11. Thank you.